We're getting ready for kindergarten.
And we're so excited to welcome your family to the school district of Palm Beach County. I'm Mrs. Tsarfati.
And I'm Mrs. Moses, and we're here to help your little learner get off to a great start.
Your school is providing every incoming kindergartner with this Kindergarten Readiness Kit. We're going to guide you through some fun and educational activities you can do with this kit.
But first, let's find out what's inside. Your kit is packed with colorful tools to sharpen reading and math skills through play. It comes with upper and lowercase letters, picture cards, a number cube, shape cards, counters, a leaf board, and a grabber.
The parent guide walks you through all of the fun activities you can do with the contents of the kit. Try out the activity in the Ready section first. Then you can move on to the suggested activities in the Set and Go sections as your child gains confidence in that skill. The activity book is designed for your child to be able to write on with a dry erase or washable marker, and then it can be wiped off so you can practice and play again and again.
Try playing with the kit for 5 minutes every day leading up to the first day of school in August.
You can register for kindergarten for the upcoming school year and receive your free Kindergarten Readiness Kit by visiting palmbeachschools.org/kindergarten.
Happy learning!